Yes. Okay. Hello everyone, this is Vishal Singh. As we all are present here for celebrating our 75th Independence Day of our country, the Bharat, and I really welcome to all of you. I'm going to be hosting this program, and first of all, very happy Independence Day to everyone present here. Well, for the start, I would love to initiate the program. I want to give some of the words of mine. It does not take much time, but I want to just what are my dreams and inspirations. I want to talk about it today. Right. So, as this is the Independence Day, and back in 1947, we got independent from some of the stupid British rule we just had at that time. And now we're just going to be like at that time we started a new beginning, like India reborn at that time, and this is the timing that we are celebrating it again. It's a festival right now. So it was a new beginning from it is like we can say the start at that time. So it is just like a new year for us, for the country. Like we have to start from the beginning. Everyone has their new year. Maybe some have some of the festivals. So this is one of the more festival, I think, just like that, and we need to start a beginning from here. So I just feel like we should make some plans. First of all, I want to mention what we have done yet, like after the 1947, and now what we are doing actually, and what the progress done till yet 2021. So the progresses we have done, I think they are in the field of the technical field. We have made many of the missiles, rockets, and much of the technical work like drones and everything. We have our army is very good. I think one of the best army we are having right now in this world right now internationally, and we had faced many of the poverty issues in our country back in 1947 and that time, and after like that, I think in 2008 we had a very much big economical crisis. We have taken over that. In medical phases too, we have done a lot. We have get the progress in that way, like we have faced the polio. We have taken over the polio. That's one of the biggest thing. We have taken over the TB, one of the biggest diseases we have just taken over. Now the COVID-19, we are just going to win the match here too. So we have done a lot of the progresses, and we need to do more. It just doesn't mean we just celebrate these progresses what we have done in the past and just look at those all the things just that we have done these things and just celebrate and just be happy. We have more things to do now. This is our new year. We need to set some plans and some goals for another year for the coming the generation. We have to give something. Right now the problem we are facing is the biggest problem. That's the climate changes are just going on these days, and which is one of the biggest problem I want to mention. And according to me, that should be the main goal for everyone, for every citizen of this country, to just go on, because the future generation is gonna be coming, and we have to take over. We have to just give our country and our situation of our country to them. So we're gonna just give them something like no trees in this environment and so much trust everywhere, so much hunger everywhere. We're gonna just give this thing to our children coming in the future. So we need to just look for that thing. We need to just work on to growing the trees. We need to work on to conserve the water and to increase the quantity of the water on this planet, I think. Because these are the two major issues right now our country is facing. The glaciers are melting, the global warming is increasing. So these are the problems, and these are very big issues. We think like right now everything is going on, but what after 10 years? That we know that this Gwalior will also be getting just like suffer from the trust in the future. So we need to just look at that. So how we can do this? There is a small solution I want to give, like in short, that we need to just go on with the small steps. Small steps will be like the steps will be like you just plant a tree a month. Okay, per month one tree. You just do it. It just costs about 50 to 60 rupees if you go to any of the best basic nursery. And if you just take this kind of step every month, you can grow a big forest in the future, I think. So this is one of the biggest things you can do right now. And the second thing, to save the water. And if you have the home, if you have your home, your property, you can just set up some of the good rainwater harvesting systems and all. These doesn't expense much if you are just giving something. So you can give something to your future generation. So these are the two things you can just work on. And the third thing is that our economical problems are also increasing. Our India's GDP rate is always decreasing. The third thing I want to mention, and the last thing I want to mention here, is that the biggest problem we need to increase the business growth, the startup ideas. We are always just thinking about jobs and jobs. You cannot just get the jobs. You need to work on the startups, new startups and the business ideas. These three things, if we work on, our India will be greater. Okay. So these three things, please work on this. As this is the new year of this country, I want like everyone should set some goals and plans for another coming years. And if we do some of the stuff and some initiations in our lifetime and this 1 year, if you will see, like in 2022, like you have planted the trees, you have saved the water, you have done a lot in that thing, and you have worked a lot on your skills, then you will find a sense of achievement in yourself, and then that will be something like you will be able to do anything at all in your future, in your career and everything, because that's a sense of achievement you will get, like you have done something yet. You have done something for your future generation. So then you will be able to do that. So this is just like a thing. Thank you very much. So now to continue the program, I want to call here Abhishek. So he will present some shairi about some traditional shairi maybe. So please Abhishek, come here. Thank you.
देखो हमारी ओर, पहचानो हमें, हम वो ही हैं जो बाढ़ भेद के धरती में से धरा निकाल दिया करते थे। हम वो ही हैं जो एक उंगली पर गोवर्धन पर्वत उठा लिया करते थे। हम वो ही हैं जिनके फेंके हुए पत्थर भी पानी में तैर गए। हम लड़ना भी जानते हैं और बचाना भी जानते हैं। हमने ही दुश्मनों के लिए फाइटर जेट बनाए और हमने ही इन्हें संगीन बनाई। जब जिंदगियों सांस कमी पड़ने लगी तो हमने ही वैक्सीन बनाई और इस वैक्सीन पर लिख दिया सर्वे संत नरामया, भगवान हम पे ही नहीं सब पे करे दया। हम जालबाज हैं, जियाले हैं, आंधियों से खेले, बिजलियों के पाले हैं। हम शांति का सवेरा हैं, पहचानो हमें, हम इंडिया वाले हैं।
To continue the program, I want to call Miss Mahima to come here and present a traditional poetry here. So Miss Mahima, please come here. Thank you. Please use a round of applause for her.
Good morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am Himajan. Now I am presenting a poem on Independence Day. The name is घाटी के दिल की धड़कन। कश्मीर है जहाँ गर्द में चंदा सूरज तारे हैं, झरनों का पानी रक्तिम है, झीलों में अंगारे हैं। कश्मीर है जहाँ फिजाएं घायल दिखती रहती हैं, जहाँ राशिफल घाटी का संगीत लिखती रहती हैं। कश्मीर है जहाँ दरिंदों की मनमानी चलती है, घर घर में AK-56 की राम कहानी चलती है। कश्मीर है जहाँ हमारा राष्ट्रगान शर्मिंदा है, भारत माँ को गाली देकर भी खलनायक जिंदा है। कश्मीर है जहाँ देश का शीश झुकाया जाता है, मस्जिद में गद्दारों को खाना भिजवाया जाता है। गूंगा बहरापन उठे सिंहासन है, लूले लंगड़े संकल्पों का शासन है। फूलों का आंगन लाशों की मंडी है, अनुशासन का पूरा दौर सिखंडी है। मैं इस कोड़ी कायरता की लाश उठाने निकला हूँ, मैं घायल घाटी के दिल की धड़कन गाने निकला हूँ, मैं घायल घाटी के दिल की धड़कन गाने निकला हूँ। जब चौराहों पर हत्यारे महिमा मंडित होते हों, भारत माँ की मर्यादा के मंदिर खंडित होते हों, जब कृष्ण भारत के नारे हों गुलमर्गों की गलियों में, शिमला समझौता जलता हो बंदूकों की नलियों में। अब केवल आवश्यकता है तो हिम्मत की, खुददारी की, दिल्ली केवल मोहलत दे दे 2 दिन की तैयारी की। सेना को आदेश थमा दो, घाटी गैर नहीं होगी, जहाँ तिरंगा नहीं मिलेगा उसकी खैर नहीं होगी, जहाँ तिरंगा नहीं मिलेगा उसकी खैर नहीं होगी। जिनको भारत की धरती ना भाती हो, भारत के झंडे से बदबू आती हो, जिन लोगों ने माँ का आंचल फाड़ा हो, दूध भरे सीने में चाकू गाड़ा हो, मैं उनको चौराहों पर फांसी चढ़वाने निकला हूँ, मैं घायल घाटी के दिल की धड़कन गाने निकला हूँ, मैं घायल घाटी के दिल की धड़कन गाने निकला हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
So Abhishek again here for one of the, I think, fun moment here. So we want to present a mimicry performance. So please use a round of applause for him.
मित्रों, मेरे प्यारे भाइयों बहनों, मैं नरेंद्र सिंह मोदी आपसे ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि कल रात 9 बजे घबराइए नहीं, कुछ नहीं बदलेगा। कल रात 9 बजे मैं टीवी देख रहा था, 9:30 बजे ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता सीरियल में नेहा और कार्तिक की लड़ाई हो गई। कार्तिक खोए के लड्डू खाए बिना सो गया। मैं 135 करोड़ जनतावादियों से सवाल चाहता हूं, उसे लड्डू खाने चाहिए थे कि नहीं खाने चाहिए थे? लड्डू बनाने में मेहनत नहीं लगती क्या?
So Mansi will be coming here for presenting a speech, and please use a round of applause for her.
So very good morning to all my respected teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Mansi. As we know that today is a Independence Day. So first of all, happy Independence to all. Today on 15th of August, we all have celebrated of our nation. Independence Day is very important day for all Indian citizens. Independence Day in India is a national holiday, and on this day our Prime Minister Narendra Modi hoists the flag at the Lahore gate of Red Fort in Delhi. So children separately participate in this celebration in school and colleges, and loud sound of national anthem, playing music. So it is a very shout on the day. Everywhere when the national flag is hoisted and the national anthem is sung, it is a very proud moment for this country. So Independence Day is a symbol of valiant sacrifices of our freedom fighters and Indian people to freedom, to attain freedom, and the many freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Tatya Tope, Nana Sahib, Rani Lakshmi Bai developed their entire life for the independence of our country. Many great revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru sacrificed their lives for the development of our country. We got independence on 15th August 1947. We got independence on 15th August 1947 from British who ruled our country, and we got independence. So after independence we got our fundamental rights. Today we have the fundamental rights, but to choose our government, we all are fortunate that we took in independence. So let us all prize today to do our best and the best country of the world. We should never forget the moral value of the Independence Day of India. No caste can divide us, no laws can separate us, no color can decide our future, because we are children of one mother. The name of that mother is Mother India, is also known as Bharat Mata. Jai Hind. Thanks to all of you for listening to me carefully.
Tarun is coming here for performing a memorial song. I think it's in English. So please come here and please welcome him by using a round of applause. Thank you.
This song dedicated to those Fauji brothers who have battled in the freedom movement. Okay. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish to the here, but to not call the drink, bring back all the memories. Our memories bring back you. Cross to the one of the day. Cross to the ones who lost, some who cry, cause to bring back all the memories. The memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember, when I know your pain. When I believe some forever, but everything will stay the same. Now my heart feel like the number, when somebody say your name. Cause I believe I will cry you, but you're the one today. Hey. Everybody hurts sometime, everybody hurts someday. Hey, hey. Everything will be alright. Girl and the car one day. Hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the race, to the here, but to not call the drink, bring back all the memories. Our memories bring back down. Cross go the ones till the day. Cross go the ones I will love on the grace. Call the bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back down. Memories bring back down.
One last speech is left here. Aniket is coming on the stage to perform a speech, and please welcome him. Use a round of applause for him. Thank you.
First of all, wish you a very, very happy Independence Day. This day is the most important day for all of us. On this day, in 1947, we got a freedom from the British rule. Friends, our famous freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lokmanya Tilak, and Chandrasekhar Azad, and Rani Lakshmibai, and other devotees entire their life for the freedom struggle. Friend, we all know that they are the great freedom fighters, and we know about them. We all know about them. So we are the fortunate that we are born in the independent country, and we have our own freedom and own fundamental right. Our freedom is priceless, and our brave soldier continuously fight on the border without any taking responsibilities. On this day, I will give you a speech, and so it is our responsibility to perform our securely duty and deserved by the people. And the day was not far when our India will be powerful and stand in every field. So thank you everyone. Be safe, be happy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
अब थोड़ा भगत सिंह जी के बारे में बोलूँगा मैं। बड़ा मुश्किल होता है ना चैन से जीना ना चैन से सोना। बड़ा मुश्किल होता है भगत सिंह का बाप होना। बड़ा बचपन से ही अलग था कुछ भगत। मिट्टी में कुछ गाड़ रहा था। मैंने पूछा क्या कर रहे हो, तो बोला बापू मैं इनकलाबी हो रहा हूँ, धरती पे पिस्तौल गो रहा हूँ। बोला 20 से हजारों बंदूकें जन्म लेंगी, अंग्रेज गिन नहीं पाएंगे इतनी गोलियां चलेंगी। मैं तभी समझ गया था ये गुरु गोविंद सिंह का लड़का है, 1 से नहीं 1.25 लाख से लड़ेगा, सेहरा बांध के घोड़ा नहीं फंदा चूम के फांसी चढ़ेगा।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम छवि जैन। आज हिमालय की चोटी से फिर हमने ललकारा है, दूर हटो ए अंग्रेजों तुम हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। यहाँ हमारे मंदिर मस्जिद सिखों का गुरुद्वारा है, यहाँ हमारा ताजमहल और कुतुब मीनार हमारा है। इस धरती पे और ठहरना अत्याचार तुम्हारा है, दूर हटो ए अंग्रेजों तुम हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। शुरू हुई है जंग तुम्हारी, जागो उठो हिंदुस्तानी, भारतीय महिलाओं जागो बनकर झांसी की रानी। आज सभी के लिए हमारा यही कौम मिनारा है, दूर हटो ए अंग्रेजों तुम हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। आज हिमालय की धरती से फिर हमने ललकारा है, दूर हटो ए अंग्रेजों तुम हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। थैंक यू।
मैंने फिल्म दिखा दिया कर, कदे कदे मैंने भी घुमा दिया कर, साल साल बिछो मरते के बाद ऐना किते मन दा मना लिया कर। मैनू डर जे लगदा है दिल टूट ना जाए बेचारा, तेरे यार बथेरे ने मेरा तू ही है बस यारा, तेरे यार बथेरे ने मेरा तू ही है बस यारा।